I'll show you how to create a Game Pass and use it as a donation button in Please Donate. Follow and like for more quick Roblox tips. First, go to your browser and type PLS Donate. Make sure to sign in. At the top, click Create. If the page looks different, make sure you're on create.roblox.com. On the left, click Creations, then Experiences, and select My Experiences. Click on your experience. Everyone has one by default. Now, on the left, click Passes, then Create a Pass. Add a name, an optional image, and description, then click Create Pass. Once it's created, click the pass, go to Sales, and turn Item for Sale on. Set a price, for example 70 or 100 Robux, then click Save Changes. Keep in mind Roblox takes a 30% fee. Now open Please Donate, join a server. You will find on the A shop set your texter here, click on E and claim an unclaimed stand. Your Game Pass will show up as a donation button. To add more donation buttons, just repeat the same steps. To remove one, turn Item for Sale off. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Roblox tips.